Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dragon Mouth Gaming. And in today's video we are going to do something interesting. In today's video we are going to make a water elevator. it, it can go up and it can go down. Okay, so without any wastage of time, let's get started. Okay, so let's first this was my flop. I had recorded 2 times, but I then okay, let's decide a place first. Yes, this is my house. Yeah, I think yes, this is a nice place. Okay, so the things we need is glass, kelp, oak door, soul sand, magma block, and of course water bucket. Okay, so just see the layout. You have to make it something like that, and go on till you get the place you wanna reach. Go up continuously. Yes, so I think this much is enough for me. Now we have to go down and go inside those 3 blocks and put an oak door inside it. Yes, this way. And now we have to get out of this. Now we have to put glasses above the oak door. So if you're not able to put the glass above the oak door, see this. You put a glass in here, take it like this and remove that glass. So it goes up. Now you have to do it till you reach the same height. Okay, now you have to take the water bucket and put it. And one note, remember that if you have an enchantment of frost walker, then you will not be able to do this. So please remove your frost walker enchantment, and then only you will be able to do it. Now go inside and start putting the kelp. You have to go up continuously. Keep on going, and yes, I think it's done. No, you have to fill the upper block too. So yes, I'll fill it right now. Okay, yes. Okay, I'll do it all again. Yes. Oh, I forgot the cup we have to put up. So you have to go up again. Yeah, and this was a hard thing. I mean, it's easy, but it took me a long while. Okay. So yes, now it's done. Now we'll go next to our door, and we open. The water will not flow. Now we'll remove the kelp which is down, and then we'll go up and we pick up all of that kelp. So yes, so now the main part comes. So the main part is that if you want the water to go up, okay, if you want the water to go up, you have to place a soul sand, not soil. Okay, soul sand below it. Okay, I'll show you. Here's a soul sand. Yes, and I'll put it below it, and you can see the water bubbles coming up. Yes, so this means that your water elevator is working perfectly. Okay, now let's try it for a while. Let's go inside. Okay, yes, so it's working properly. Now what to do if you want to come from up to down? I'll show you that now. Just a second. I'm not able to go. Yes, now if you want to come from up to down, you have to just put a magma block down, and yes, you can see the water bubbles coming down. Yeah, so we'll test it once more. Let's go in it. Yes, and now you can see. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Dragon Mouth Gaming, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.